In the heart of Yelahanka, Bengaluru, Subramaiah and Asha found themselves embroiled in a poignant and distressing tale. These two brave souls were at the center of an emotional roller coaster that began with a property dispute involving Karnataka's Planning and Statistics Minister D. Sudhakar and the real estate developers Seven Hill. As court proceedings slowly unfolded, an unforeseen incident shattered their peace on a fateful Saturday. Minister D. Sudhakar, accompanied by a group of approximately 35 to 40 individuals, descended upon their property. The sudden intrusion marked the beginning of a heart-wrenching scene, as heavy machinery, a JCB, mercilessly tore down not only their dwelling but also the sheet roof and the compound wall that had been part of their lives for so long. The cruelty didn't end there. The attackers resorted to hurling caste-based insults when Subramaiah and Asha questioned the rationale behind their ruthless actions.
No, immediately, on what basis the policy of Congress is to favor SC/ST? That was highlighted everywhere by Congress people. But when his own minister does an activity under Atrocities Act, is it not their responsibility to take immediate action against him? They should ask him to resign immediately without much delay.
It is a private issue. I have checked with Mr. Sudhakar, I checked with others. It is a false case. Nothing has happened. It is a civil dispute. They are trying to use the act which they shouldn't have done it. Tomorrow also they may do it on anyone. It is purely a private, personal issue. It is no way connected to. We have to respect the law. Sudhakar also will respect his law. I will also respect the law. You will have to respect law. It is according to me. The officer explained to me that it is a false case.
Amidst the turmoil and despair, justice took its first step. A case was registered against not only the Congress minister but also real estate developer Srinivas, Bhagyamma and 35 others. The charges filed under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Act, along with sections 427, 143, 147, 447 and 323 of the Indian Penal Code. Subscribe to Daily Salah for such latest news and updates from all across the world.